flower is the reproductive structure of some seed-bearing plants. Here is a video of a blooming flower. The stamen is made up of anther and filament. The pistil is made up of stigma, style, and ovary. Inside the ovary you have the ovules. The petal is brightly colored. The sepal is the bottom of the flower, and the receptacle is attached to the stem.
Peduncle, the stalk of a flower. Receptacle, the part of a flower stalk where the parts of the flower are attached. Sepal, the outer parts of the flower often green and leaf-like that enclose a developing bud. Petal, the parts of the flower that are often brightly colored. Stamen, the pollen-producing part of a flower, usually with a slender filament supporting the anther. Anther, the part of the stamen where pollen is produced. Pistil, the ovule-producing part of a flower. The ovary often supports a long style, topped by a stigma. The mature ovary is a fruit, and the mature ovule is the seed. Stigma, the part of the pistil where pollen germinates. Ovary, the enlarged basal portion of the pistil where ovules are produced.
Here are some pictures of some flowers. Pollination is the process by which pollen is transferred from the anther, male part, to the stigma, female part of the plant, thereby enabling fertilization and reproduction. Bees help spread the pollen on flowers by eating the pollen off of the flowers and spreading it to other flowers.
Flowers can communicate with bees using electric fields. The bees pick up on the signals given off by plants, which might be a way to let the bees know what kind of flower the plant is, and if the flower has already been drained of its nectar by another pollinator. A study from the University of Bristol in the United Kingdom shows that the bees react to the small negative electric charge given off by the plants. The bees have a positive charge caused by flying through the air, so when the plant and bee come together, there is an electrical reaction. The charge of the plant remains changed for a while after the bee flies away. Bees and flowers evolve together in a symbiotic relationship, and scientists already know that the petal color and scent of a flower are sensed by pollinators. Co-author of the study, Professor Daniel Roberts, said they are talking to each other in